Hammaga assalomu alaykum. Sizlar bilan Jon Tutor. Yangi yil dam olish kunlaridamiz va Jasurbek aka bizga dam olish kuni uchun savol yuboribdilar va savol quyidagicha Favorite Season of the Year haqida 8 minut uchun gapirib bering. Xo'p, bu savol haqida avvalam 25-yil speaking savollarchida ko'rganmiz, ammo gapirib ko'rmagandik. Bugun boshqacharoq yo'l tutamiz. ChatGPT ga uni yozamiz va u bizga qanaqa balla berishi va biz qay darajada gapirayotgan ekanimizni tekshirib olamiz. Demak, boshladik. Let's go. My favorite season of the year is undoubtedly winter. In my country, it typically begins in November and continues until February. During this period, the weather becomes far more comfortable compared to other seasons, and the air feels crisp, fresh, and peaceful. One of the main reasons I truly enjoy winter is that it motivates me to be more outdoor activities. I often go early morning walks as the cool temperature feels extremely refreshing and helps me to clear my mind. Moreover, winter is the season when my family comes together to prepare traditional dishes such as polo, samsa, shashlik, and how can I say, New Year meals and homemade sweets, which creates a strong sense of warmth and togetherness. Another aspect of winter that I really appreciate is the festival atmosphere. People decorate their homes, visit relatives, and share meals, which strengthens social bonds and spreads positivity everywhere. Unlike summer, I don't feel exhausted or irritated by unbearable heat, so I'm able to stay focused and productive throughout the day. Overall, winter make me feel calm, energetic, and emotionally closer to my family. For the reasons I can confidently say that is winter is my favorite season of the year. Hop, hozir baholashini tekshiramiz. Xo'p, javob quyidagicha. Zo'r, bu variant tayyor holatda. Oshirishga aytsam, speaking uchun 9 darajada. Hop, fluency, coherence, ideal structure. Xullas, va hokazo, this is very strong response deb yozib qo'yadi. Hop, demak, juda mayda ixtiyoriy polishing, ya'ni majburiy emas, spoken style'da yanada kuchli bo'lishi kerak. Hop, xullas, ChatGPT shunaqa baholadi va menimcha bu yerda aytayotgan narsa spoken style'da ozgina o'zgartirish kiritish kerak deb. Lekin tavsiyam speakingda hech qachon qaysidir aksentda gapirib berishingiz shart emas. Xohlasangiz Indian pronunciationda gapiring, lekin baholash shu darajada bo'ladi.